Hey, how's it going, guys? What's poppin'? It's your boy XO, and guys, I'm gonna be honest, guys. Today's video is going to be really amazing, guys, because I'm gonna be teaching you how to trade like the banks. Guys, this is ridiculously amazing. This is how to trade with the smart money concept and beat the market. Actually, you're not actually beating the market, you're trading with the banks. This is how the banks trade actually, guys. So let's get straight into this video. All right, guys, so with this strategy I'll be using order blocks and imbalance, which is one of the most well-known smart money concepts: forex trading and intraday trading, crypto stocks and Bitcoin, Dogecoin trading strategy. Is that, guys, this strategy works on any pair you decide to trade on: volatility index, cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, forex currency, stocks, ETFs, whatever, guys. So at this point, look at this candlestick. This strong bearish move to the downside. This is a strong momentum to the downside. So we want to look for the candlestick, the last candlestick before the move to this downside. So these are a bunch of bearish candlesticks, and this is just one single bullish candlestick. That means the market actually wanted to go up, but as you can see, a lot of selling orders came into the market and the market fell down. So this will be our area of value, which is the order block. So guys, you want to bring out your rectangle tool. Guys, I'm explaining this thing in a very simple, like beginners friendly, dummies way, so you guys can understand this really easy. So this is the candlestick. You want to draw it from the high wick to the low of that candlestick, which is around this point. So how do we get into this trade? So it's very simple, guys. Once we want to see the market come back after the market made all this move to the downside, we want to see the market retrace and go back to that area. So anywhere around this zone, I'm taking my trade. But basically, guys, I'm taking my trade once the market touches this box. All right, so this will be my area of entry for a short position. So let's take the trade at this point. Okay, guys, so our stop loss is going to be at the high of, like, at the other side of the box. Like I said, guys, our stops is going to be just above this box. As you can see, this will be our stops and target. And how do you trade? How do you take the trade? How do you take your profit, guys? You can decide to target that area where the market started retracing from, which is at this point, or you can target whichever, or you just trail your stops or have a fixed stop, a 2 to 1, a 3 to 1, a 4 to 1, a 1 to 1.5, whichever one you want to use, guys. But this is just me telling you in hindsight. I'm going to target this this previous level where the market retraced from. As you can see, guys, this was a beautiful 5 to 1 to risking 1 to make 5.3. And that's all for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to go back and back test. So guys, if you want to learn how I trade, like my main strategy of trading in the forex market and in other markets in general, make sure to contact me on Instagram and let's talk, guys, because I'm going to be teaching you how to trade lives, like step by step, one-on-one. I'll see you guys in the next video. It's your boy XO, and I'm signing out. Stay XO.